Hi, are you looking for training in data science as well as analytics? Then ATA is a best choice. So ATA is Analytics Training Institute, one of the best institute in Bangalore. So ATA has 12 plus years training experience in analytics domain. So ATA trained so far 15,000 plus individuals. So why do you choose ATA? So ATA trained so far 15,000 plus individuals. So far 860 plus positive reviews from student. So ATA provides both online and classroom training. ATA provides training both weekdays and weekend also. So you will be trained by experienced trainer. Those who are working in analytics industries, they will train you. So all the training concepts, all the concepts will be explained with the case studies with the real-time data. So you'll get more exposure and training in real-time data. So one more advantage is in ATA, so you'll get a same training with a different trainer also. Suppose you are trained by one trainer, again same or will be taken by another trainer, another batch, you can attend that training also. So next is you can attend unlimited time, same training you can attend in number of times from the data, 2 years from the data enrollment. So till 2 years we can attend same training in number of times, unlimited times we can attend that. So next is you are eligible for attending internship. So ATA is providing internship for 3 months internship, that is Redwood Apprentice program. Also get complimentary workshop, you are able to attend complimentary workshop, guest lecture on data science. So you can join in ATA. So any freshers who want to work in analytics domain or data science, so they can join. Also any experienced professional who are already working in different domain, they want to switch over their career into analytics, they can also join. So ATA provides 3 different course packages: Analytics 180, Analytics 360, Analytics 360 plus. So in Analytics 180, the total duration of training is 152 hours. So you can learn R programming. So R programming mainly for data preparation. So once get any data from customers, so you can prepare your data for analyze, then we can do analyze also. So same time you can learn Python also. Using Python also we can analyze the data. So also we learn domain knowledge about the analytics using basic analytics training, then advanced analytics training. In the advanced analytics training, so artificial intelligence using machine learning will get it. So next course package is Analytics 360. The total duration of package is 224 hours. So in this training, all the topics which is covered in Analytics 180 plus you learn SQL. So SQL is one of the language to interact data from DataTum. The next is you learn Advanced Excel. So Advanced Excel mainly for clean up your data, then organize your data. You can use that. The next you will visualize your data. So once organize and prepare your data. So once prepare your data using R and Python, then we can do visualization using Tableau. Also learn digital analytics. So next course package is Analytics 360 plus. In 360 plus we learn all courses provided in Analytics 360. Then extra is deep learning. We learn deep learning, then data visualization using Power BI, then analytics infrastructure. Okay, these are the topics you can learn extra. If you need further detail, you can contact, you can write to ATA for all Redwood algorithm, or you can contact through toll-free number, or you can visit our office. Happy learning. Thank you.